fishing in the hills off Road Highway, Railroad Junction and Paradise, Pennsylvania.
Take a moment to examine your tickets. A lot of the tickets that you purchased from our ticket agent this morning are attached together in one long strip. If you can separate those tickets at this time. We need those small bottom stub from your ticket. If you would kindly detach that stub from your ticket at this time and have it ready for the conductor when it comes through your car, that would be greatly appreciated. The route over which you are traveling today is one of the oldest railroad right-of-ways in the entire world. It was given to the Strasburg Railroad Company by an act of the Pennsylvania legislature on June 9, 1832. 1800s to today, some of these trains are featured on live operating layouts. The Strasburg Railroad is probably the oldest public utility in all of Pennsylvania, verified by Turkey World magazine. And yes, folks, there is a Turkey World magazine. The turkey farm's a very busy place. November and December is an especially good time not to be a turkey on this farm. Especially turkey farm. A wagon maker. Settlers heading west could buy Conestoga wagons, guns, and provisions, all produced in this immediate area. Today, this old stone. Blow our whistle for Carpenter's Crossing. The ghost of the old L.O.N.S. train answers back. We're going to stop here briefly. We'll hear our local. Speaking of ghosts, right after we cross Carpenter's